Hi, everybody. How is everybody? I know I look so tired. Do I look tired? What do you think? Hello, Kidda. How is everybody? How's everyone? I am good, Alhamdulillah. I just wanted to do a quick 5-minute live to come on here and leave a thought. I wanted to leave a thought about I have realized that as human beings, we always put ourselves first, right? Hi, wow, 7,600 people. This is a thought for you. We always think about ourselves first. We feel hi Zax, I love you so much. I have just realized how much I love my family because, oh my God, they're so wonderful. So here's the thing. मैं ये share करना चाहती हूँ because for the last 2 days, that's what I've been feeling. Every human being always considers what they are feeling first, which is fine. How you perceive things, how you want to think about things, आपको कैसे feel हुआ, आपको कैसे लगा, I agree. But just leaving this thought for everybody out there कि अगर किसी और की कोई खुशी चल रही है या किसी ने कोई जाहिर किया आपकी खुशी, तो उसमें पहले अपने आप को नहीं, पहले सामने वाले की खुशी को भाई आप अप्रिशिएट कर लो, लव कर लो, उसे बोल दो कि यार दैट इज सो कूल, and then come about whatever you must be feeling. Because life is not about only figuring out how you were made to feel or how you are feeling, but it's also sometimes about how you can make others feel. So just leaving this thought because I feel like it's so important. I've always in my entire life kept others before my feelings, and I feel like I'm learning from people how I should only first prioritize myself. And then I think no, that's not me. So I'm leaving this thought here. Okay, I don't know how many of you will understand what I'm trying to say, but anybody who's graduated today, anybody who has had some kind of an achievement today, anybody who felt like you wanted love from people for the joy in your life, I'm right here telling you, yay, woohoo, I'm so happy for you. I'm so ecstatic for you. I am so, like, I'm just... It's so important in life that people appreciate what's happening in other people's lives also. So here is me for all those 6,700 people who may be feeling what I am feeling for the last couple of days. Go for it, man. Yay, woohoo, awesome, so cool. All those things that you feel like nobody's going to tell you, I'm going to tell you, because that feeling of, that extra joy coming from people is so important. So here you go. I just thought this world needs this kind of a thought tonight. So everybody who's thinking that I'm saying this out of emotions, it's not that I'm Alhamdulillah, I'm super happy. But that's what I think therapists and psychologists do, right? They hear you out, they understand your deepest, darkest feelings, and then they tell you, okay, you need that for yourself and you need this for yourself. So I am doing that for you guys. Anybody who's had even the smallest of happiness today, the joy and what you want to share, and you felt like, oh, nobody has kind of given you that warmth, I'm right here giving you that warmth and telling you that you are doing such a good job. I'm so happy for you. Yay! I'm so happy for everything that's happening in your life. And I'm so happy for whatever it is that's making you happy today. So yeah, this is my emo talk. Hi Seheru, I love you so much. Zax, I love you so much. My family is like the best thing in the world. Alhamdulillah, everybody's family, I'm sure, is right there, supporting them. So, just saying, it's not important. We really rely upon so many people to understand us and all of that. And not everybody is going to understand you. But for everyone who feels a little disappointed about that today, this was my shout out for you, okay? So, yay, you can do it. We're happy, we're good. And people who really, truly, truly, truly love you will always and always and always put your happiness first. And then they'll think about, kya chal raha hai, kya nahi chal raha, kya acha hua, kya bura hua. You know what I mean? So, I'm just here to give a big thank you to my family. The smallest of things, the smallest of efforts being made by my loved ones for me. Thank you guys. I love you so much. And so much love around, so much happiness around. Just grasp it and don't let anything bog you down, and don't let anything pull you down. Just be happy, spread love, give love. Aapka heart clean hai, aapka soul clean hai, and that's all that you should think about. दूसरों की खुशी, दूसरों की अच्छाई, दूसरों का clean thoughts रखिए सबके बारे में. सबके बारे में clean thoughts रखिए, and everything will be fine. So just enjoy. Yay again. Woo! So happy for everybody. I don't know. This is just a random live, guys. Absolutely random live. But I'm going to save this, because whoever wants to hear this out today, just don't be disappointed in people's disappointments, and just be happy. Just be happy. And people who are genuinely happy for you will be that. So yeah. Love you all. Good night. I have a 5 o'clock call time, as in wake up call time. I have to go for my shoot. I'm in Lucknow, by the way, shooting for something very, very exciting. Alhamdulillah. So yeah, in all the madness of me getting married and shooting a film and doing all of that, it's a lot going on. Alhamdulillah. So emotions are like up and down and up and down. So don't mind this crazy outburst. But I love you all. I'm not replying to any messages right now. But there's so many views, requests. Okay. Anyway. So yeah, good night and take care of yourselves. Bye. Ta-da. Positive. Everybody, all positive. All love and happiness and joy, and yeah, no expectations, just love. Okay, bye.